this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use phone as a webcam on your PC or laptop. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Windows 11 now allows you to utilize your Android phone or tablet camera within any video application on your PC. With this capability, you can wirelessly harness the high-quality camera of your mobile device directly on your computer. Notable abilities include seamlessly switching between front and back cameras, pausing the stream during interruptions, and even enjoying effects provided by your specific mobile model. So how to use your phone camera as a webcam? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to install Webcam client on your uh, PC or laptop. So you can just search on your uh, PC or laptop. You can download the Webcam client. Here you can just install this one. You can install for the client. After that, you can also install on your phone Webcam. I will show you on my phone. So here's you can just search on your Play Store or App Store Webcam. This one, Webcam webcam and OBS camera. You can just install it on your phone. After that, you can just open it. You can allow this one too. So now you can turn on your Wi-Fi on your computer and also on your phone. I will open the Webcam in here first. So you can add device, but before that, we'll turn on this. To add device on your phone, on your computer, you can just click on here. We can wait until your device appear in here. If it doesn't appear, we can just keep trying. Now you can enter your device name. You can enter the Wi-Fi IP. You can see on your phone. There is an IP that you can enter in here. There's two IP. You can choose one of them. You can enable the audio if you want to enable, but I will just skip this tab. Now you can just click on OK. So now you have activate the webcam from your phone as a webcam. It's so cool, right? Now you can use this webcam to open your Zoom. You want to join Zoom, you can create a new meeting. You can use the webcam as your camera. See here. So simple, right? So if your computer or PC doesn't have camera, you can just use your smartphone camera as your webcam. So simple, right? And if you want to stop this webcam, you can just close it. You can just close. so it will stop. So simple, right? So that is how to use your smartphone as a webcam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.